Today, we're diving into the ASUS ROG Strix 750G power supply unit, a game changer for your PC setup. Let's start with the basics. This bad boy boasts a whopping 750 watts of output wattage, ensuring all your components get the juice they need to perform at their best. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the technology behind it. First up, those ROG radiators. They're not just for show, they're here to protect your precious components by reducing temperature and noise, ultimately extending the lifespan of your rig. And speaking of noise, the dual ball bearing axial fans combined with 0 dB technology ensure that your system stays whisper quiet even during intense gaming sessions. No more distracting hum in the background. But what about customization, you ask? ASUS has got you covered there too. With magnetic logos and stickers included, you can personalize your power supply to match your setup perfectly. And let's not forget about organization. The modular cables make cable management a breeze, keeping your system looking clean and tidy. Now, let's talk performance. Those axial fans? They're designed for maximum airflow, thanks to a smaller hub and longer blades. This means better downward air pressure, keeping your components cool under pressure. And with a 10-year warranty backing it up, you can rest easy knowing ASUS has your back for the long haul. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix 750G is more than just a power supply, it's a game changer for your PC setup. With top-notch performance, whisper-quiet operation, and unparalleled customization options, it's the ultimate PSU upgrade for any gaming rig. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.